Right now, we are following breaking news in southwest Atlanta with new video in from a school bus accident. This occurred on Campbellton Road and Childress Drive. You can see the pictures right now. 9 students from APS suffered minor injuries, not thought to be severe. Their driver also complained of leg pain. A driver and passenger in the other vehicle had to be rescued from their vehicle, which was on fire. Both were taken to the hospital. We do not have details about their conditions right now. But police are trying to figure out who's at fault for this crash. We'll have updates for you on 11alive.com and also coming up on the ATL tonight.